Hey friends, Dr. Elliott here. So we are preparing and we have coming up our classroom philosophy paper, and I just wanted to put a few things together for you. Be sure that when you start this project or you're working on it, you know there are two rubrics. If you log into MyFire and look under the assignment once you click on the blue highlighted words, it pops up and there are two rubrics. So I'm looking at one. I went ahead and printed them. One is for your philosophy. So, for example, it's wanting to know rationale for aspects or areas of your personal philosophy. So, does each rationale or aspect, is it clearly grounded in theory? And is it practical for the age or grade level being taught? Okay, so that would be excellent in the area of rationale. The next area is three aspects/areas, right? That's how it's titled. And it wants to know three distinct aspects or areas are described and related to classroom management or organization. So just being really specific and detailing your thinking and your processing and grounding your thinking in theories and research. Okay. Also make sure you're using APA formatting and having 3 in-text citations and a reference page. And an excellent in that rating would be 0 to 2 errors. Okay, so that would be your first rubric that you're referencing as you're preparing. And then also you have your rubric for your written assignment part. And it's just doing things, for example, I'll read a little bit of it. So response demonstrates an in-depth reflection on and personalization of theories, concepts, and or strategies. So we basically just want to see that 1, you're comprehending and processing strategies and theories, and 2, you're taking them and making them applicable to you. So we want this to be real life learning for you, and also that you're going to utilize it and show best practices in your classroom, but with a personal touch. Just like we differentiate for our students, we're differentiating for ourselves and for our future and current classrooms, and that's just what we want to see. So high quality theories and research-based practices, personalized and fitting your students and your population's needs. I hope this makes sense. Have fun with it. It's fun to plan for your students and your strategies and to know your why. That's so important behind everything that we do, right? And don't forget, we always have Jesus guiding us. So for example, in my classrooms, I have always had the norm or the rule to treat your neighbor how you want to be treated, right? And always referring that back to the Bible and referencing how we are to love our neighbors as ourselves. So that's been a huge piece of my behavior management strategies, and it's also helped build a classroom family and build routines and rhythms in my classrooms that have been really effective. So figure out your why, figure out the why that Jesus has for you, pair those with best practices and research-based theories, and go from there. You will be great. Look at the rubric, make sure you've covered everything, and if you have questions, as always, let me know. I'm proud of you, friends, and good luck.